Caesar dressing is so easy to make, you'll never buy store-bought dressing ever again. I will show you 2 ways to make Caesar dressing, one with raw eggs and one without. Start by mincing your garlic, anchovies, and salt until you get a paste. Then add your lemon juice, zest, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire, a little bit of honey, and a touch of black pepper. Then add your mayo and combine and finish off with the parmesan cheese. The easiest way to make Caesar dressing with raw eggs is to use a blender or food processor. I will be using an immersion blender. Add together all your ingredients except the oil and the cheese, and blend until it's all combined and smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can start by mincing your garlic, anchovies, and salt first like we did earlier, and then whisk in the juice, Worcestershire, mustard, black pepper, honey, lemon zest, and egg yolks. With the blender still running, very slowly drizzle in your oil and keep combining until you create a beautiful creamy dressing. If you are whisking by hand, whisk continuously while simultaneously drizzling in the oil. It's important you keep whisking until the dressing has lightened in color and is thick and creamy. Using a blender helps you create a better emulsion, and it's also less work. Make sure you taste and adjust to your liking. I prefer my dressing a little more acidic and a little more umami flavor. Then finish with your Parmesan cheese and you're done.